Every great achievement begins with a humble start. In 1997, Bull Machines was founded with a team of 8 people, an investment of just 8 lakh rupees in a small 1,500 square foot building. A bold vision set the foundation for what we are today. From the start, innovation was our driving force. Our first tractor attachment took 6 months to sell and was eventually sold at just 60% of its cost. The design caused the tractor to break in two. Yet this problem became an opportunity, leading to a patterned innovation that made us #1 tractor attachment business in India with over 56,000 customers. Over the years, Bull Machines transformed every challenge into an opportunity. By 2011, we had launched our new construction equipment division for manufacturing complete earth-moving vehicles. Today, we are the fastest-growing backhoe loader manufacturer in the world, selling in 65+ countries with a production capacity of 6,000 CE machines and 9,600 tractor attachments per annum. We've become a symbol of efficiency, performance, and trust. Today, Bull Machines is a powerhouse. With 2,100 dedicated team members working in a state-of-the-art 3 lakh square foot facility, we roll out 1 vehicle every 42 minutes. Innovation continues to drive us forward. In 2024, at the prestigious Bauma exhibition, we unveiled the Grandia, a groundbreaking machine with 4-wheel drive and 4-wheel steering. But we didn't stop there. In 2025, we proudly launched the Super Smart BS5, continuing our legacy as a performance leader. From humble beginnings to one among the global leaders, Bull Machines represents resilience, innovation, and excellence. This is not just a story of machines. It's a story of people, purpose, courage, performance, and passion. Together we build. Together we grow. Join hands with us to conquer and to live the purpose of making India proud.